allopolyploidy. Polyploidy is of two types, autopolyploidy and allopolyploidy. Autopolyploids are those polyploids in which the chromosomes are derived from the same species, mean they have the multiple sets of the chromosomes, but those multiple sets they belong to same species. But in case of allopolyploidy, there is a intercross between the species. Some of the chromosomes they belong to one species, while rest of the chromosomes they belong to second species. So when there is a intercross between two species, the individual or the offspring which is produced is allopolyploid. Allopolyploid is a phenomena that is usually between two different species. In this diagram we can see that these are the chromosome set of two different species. These are the set of species 1 and these are the chromosomes of species 2. When there is a cross between these two species, the chromosome they come into one organism. Such a phenomena is called allopolyploid. So allopolyploid have the chromosomes of one species and from the second species. Interspecies cross can result in allodiploids. If the individuals they are diploid, species 1 is diploid and the species 2 is also diploid. We can see here two chromosomes per set. This species is diploid and this species is also diploid. When there is a cross between these two species, there will be all the chromosome in the single species and such a species is called as allodiploid. Colchicine is a chemical which is usually used to promote the non-disjunction of the chromosomes. This is a phenomena which is usually adopted in case of plants because by using the colchicine in plants, certain desirable traits or phenotypes or characteristics in the plants can be achieved. Colchicine usually binds to the microtubules or to the spindle fibers. Once it binds to the spindle fibers, then the homologous chromosome or the sister chromatid they fail to segregate from each other. Here we can see that how allopolyploids are produced. In case of allopolyploid, this is species 1, this is species 2. As a result of first mating between these two species, polyploid gametes are produced. Once polyploid gametes are produced, then with the help of normal gametes, allopolyploid individuals or allodiploid individuals or the animals can be produced. These are the examples of allopolyploidy. In case of Hini, that is a cross between a donkey where mother is donkey while the father is a horse. When there is a cross between a donkey mother and father horse, Hini is produced, which is also called as mule. Mule is a product of a allopolyploidy where the chromosomes from the donkey and the chromosomes of the horse they come in the same cell. The second example of the allopolyploidy is the domestic mare, a cross between the domestic mare and the zebra. In case of this cross, zebra is usually father and the domestic mare is usually the mother. As a cross of these two individuals, a zebra Hini is produced. Both these animals they are sterile, they cannot produce their offsprings. So allopolyploidy is a phenomena that is a cross between two different species. As a result of cross between two different species, allopolyploids are produced.